Who can refuse desserts? Why, even vegans crave for their sweets. And guess what? There are plenty of dessert options today that do not use animal products such as dairy and eggs. There's so much to choose from that quite literally you can already hold a competition for the best vegan desserts in the city. So TessDrive is here today at the Century City Mall in Makati City to see for ourselves. Wait, not just see, but get a taste really of the delicious concoctions of the participants to PETA's Best Vegan Desserts competition. This isn't gonna be just eye candy, folks. Let the sweet times roll.
Hello, I'm Ai of Little Green Girl, and these are my desserts. Let's start off with buko tart with toasted pulveron. And then this is the classic apple pie, which has pumpkin spice in it. And then these are my sugar cookies with lemon vanilla flavor.
17 finalists from across Metro Manila are here to showcase their vegan versions of the all-time favorite ice cream, donuts, cakes, cookies, pies, and much more. This is definitely sweet tooth heaven.
From devilishly, and these are our products, all vegan, egg-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free. So we have moringa green tea affogato. We also have creme brulee cashew cream cheese, like cheesecake, and strawberry mousse brownies. So everything is guilt-free and healthy, good for you.
Everything that you ate before, you can still eat after you turn vegan. There's really no feeling of being left out. I suggest you go vegan right now. It's really great for the environment, for your health, and especially for the animals.
Hello! Kami ang Tamis Bakehouse. For now, meron kaming apple caramel cake. Dito, wala kami ginagamit na animal products, walang eggs, walang dairy, so walang milk and butter. Yung take namin sa favorite namin na apple pie.
Hi, this is Ambassador's Ice Cream. We have vegan ice cream. We have a variety of nut milks as a replacement for eggs and cow's milk. We use pili nuts, cashew nuts, peanut butter, rice milk, and coconut milk.
So now, if you're one of the judge or organizer of this competition, you are the envy of the world, I tell you. So you can imagine how hard it has been to get soundbite from these judges in between their munchies. But we actually managed to get one. One judge describes the desserts creations as devilishly delicious dairy-free and egg-free treats, which are as sweet to cows and chickens as they are to your taste buds. Now that's a mouthful. To be fair, it wasn't only the judges and the organizers who had a sweet, sweet day getting their fill of the goodies. For just a minimal entry fee, the public also got to sample these delectable desserts. Of course, PETA made sure that not only were the guests' palates satisfied, but their minds as well. PETA staffers readily explained to the public all desserts used no animal products. Thus, no animals were harmed to sweeten everyone's day.
My favorite desserts would be Super Scoots, coffee cashew ice cream, Ambassadors, mango biscoff ice cream, and the Baking Owl's chocolate thumbprint cookie.
Hi, so far I'm liking Dirty's Kitchen gluten-free dark chocolate cake. It's very creamy, very chocolatey, and not at all sweet. Tama lang.
Jerky's Kitchen chocolate cake. I really liked it kasi parang it doesn't taste vegan at all. Para lang ako umorder from a regular cafe na masarap yung chocolate. It was really good.
Moringa, avocado, green tea. I enjoyed it because it was very light, not so sweet, and it has a very unusual ingredient that I haven't tried for a long time. Cake Smith's cream cake is also a very new flavor for me, and I like the profile and the texture and the moisture of the cake, but nothing final yet.
The rest of the desserts naman talagang masarap din. So it was really a hard decision for all of us.
Jason Baker, Vice President of People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. And so we're here today to decide on what is the best vegan dessert in the Philippines. And I've been in the Philippines a long time, and I remember when the best vegan dessert was a fruit cup. And so here today, we have nearly 50 different desserts, from ice creams and cakes and cookies, and we chose which is the best one. And it was great just to see the whole variety and how the Philippines and really how the world has changed and moved towards vegan desserts over the past decade.
Studies show that 90% of Filipinos are lactose intolerant, and the demand for dairy-free desserts has increased significantly. No matter how sugar-coated our food is served to us, in the literal and figurative sense, if we know that our eating pleasure was derived from processes involving intense suffering endured by cows and their calves, or by hens in egg factories that have had their beaks cut off, then even desserts become too hard to swallow.